Supreme Court has issued a contempt notice to Chief Secretary of Manipur, Vineet Joshi, for failing to implement its order to ensure the continuity of service and provide benefits to officers selected in the 2016 Manipur Civil Service MCS exam. The court had previously invalidated the original 2016 MCS mains exam due to irregularities and directed the state to conduct a re-examination in 2022. A bench comprising Justices C.T. Ravikumar and Sanjay Carroll issued the notice after petitioners alleged that the state government had not adhered to the court's directive to secure their service continuity despite their successful clearance of the re-examination. The petitioners returned to the Supreme Court, claiming that they had been denied the benefits they were entitled to under the court's order. The court's 2022 verdict had explicitly required the state to make special arrangements for these officers, ensuring their service was continuous and that they received all associated benefits. However, the state's failure to do so led the petitioners to allege willful disobedience of the court's order. While issuing the contempt notice, the Supreme Court temporarily exempted the alleged contemptors, including Land Resources Department Secretary Namoyjam Kedavrata Singh, from personal appearance in court.